Maybe you're a day trader. Maybe you just dabble. Maybe you've already cornered the market on soybeans. The question is, do you have what it takes to become a Topstep trader? What's that, you ask? Topstep makes trading risk-free for passionate traders like you, or Sarah in Oklahoma, or Francisco in Spain, or Gaz in Russia. Topstep will support your approach to trading. Here's how it works. Whether you're an experienced trader with a proven strategy or a beginner pursuing your passion, when you sign up for our trading combine, you choose a simulated futures or forex trading account. So, imagine you start with a $50,000 futures account, our most popular. The first step is to demonstrate you have a winning strategy for the market. In a $50,000 account, your challenge is to make $3,000 in profits while following some basic risk management rules. Once you make $3,000, you move on to step 2 in the trading combine. Establish consistency with your trading style to prove our capital is safe in your hands. Your task is the same. Make $3,000 while following a few additional risk measures. You can complete those 2 steps in just a few days, or you can be more deliberate with your trades. There's no urgency. What's important is that you reach the next level, which is guaranteed funding. As soon as you complete these steps, we'll fund your live trading account. Enough to buy like 15,000 barrels of crude oil or 500,000 Eurodollars. As a funded Topstep trader, you combine your talent with our money. You keep your first $5,000 in profits and 80% after that, just like Sarah, Francisco, Gaz, and any of the actual traders we've funded since 2012. Why Topstep? Learn discipline, earn capital, zero risk, guaranteed funding. Professionalize your trading. A funded account is waiting. Prove you deserve it and use our money to make you money. Get started at Topstep.com.